Hello, welcome to our project. I'm going to show you our three books, Harry Potter 1, Harry Potter 3, and the Pride and Prejudice. I'm going to run it one by one. First is the Harry Potter 1 text. As you can see that we have already cleaned our text into a txt file. And then we have our three dictionaries for females' names, male's name, and last names. And here's our first graph. Harry Potter, Ron, and Hermione are in the center of the graph. And then these three Weasley are in one family. And this is the dragon. And then let's run the second book. Harry Potter 3. The program usually takes about 15 to 19 seconds, so it takes a while. So here's our second graph. Sorry about the email. We have Harry Potter, Hermione, and Ron in the center, and the thickness of the line is showing their relationships based on page rank. And let's try our last book, Pride and Prejudice. Let's run it. In our last book, we encounter a minor problem. It's because in this book, the main character, the main character of Fitzwilliam, in the book, it appears in the format Mr. Darcy rather than the whole name. So almost all of the counts for Mr. Darcy goes to Anne Darcy, which is the sister of Elizabeth Bennet. So there was a minor problem on this graph, and then we're going to talk about it in our final report. That's it. Thank you.